Hi friends, in this video I will show you the review of Nokia C30. I'm Ikhtiar Ahmed and welcome to another tech news. This mobile is updating day by day, so I will show you the updated version. So for this you have to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more and more videos. So let's get started. You can follow in Instagram also. Nokia C30. It is announced in 27th July 2021 and pod dimensions 177.7 into 79.1 into 9.9 mm and its weight is 237 gram and display type is IPS LCD and its display size is 6.82 inches and resolution is 720 into 1600 pixels. Its CPU is octa-core 4 into 1.6 GHz Cortex A55 and 4 into 1.2 GHz Cortex A55. Internal storage 32 GB in 2 GB RAM, 32 GB in 3 GB RAM, 64 GB in 3 GB RAM. Its back camera is 13 megapixel and front camera is 5 megapixel. Its battery type is LiPo 6000 mAh. Its fast charging is 10 watts fast charging. Its colors are green, white, and in Bangladesh its price is 10,000 taka and in USA its price is $130. So how is the video? Tell me in the comments and also subscribe our channel. Stay connected with us.